As we age, our skin naturally changes. Wrinkles, dryness, and a loss of elasticity are all part of the process. But the right nutrition can help slow these changes and even give your skin a radiant, youthful glow, no matter your age. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the best smoothies packed with skin-loving nutrients, especially helpful for seniors over 60. Smoothie number 1, blueberry and spinach. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals, one of the leading causes of skin aging. Combine with spinach, which is full of iron and vitamin C, to promote healthy circulation and collagen production. Ingredients: Minnesone, ½ cup blueberries, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/2 banana, 1 cup almond milk. Smoothie number 2, avocado and cucumber. Avocado offers healthy fats that moisturize the skin from within, while cucumber hydrates and soothes skin cells. Ingredients: 1/2 ripe avocado, 1/2 cucumber peeled, 1/2 apple, 1 cup coconut water. Smoothie number 3, mango and carrot. Mangoes are packed with vitamin A and carotenoids that brighten the skin, and carrots add beta-carotene to fight dullness. Ingredients: -1 cup frozen mango, 1/2 cup chopped carrots, 1 orange, peeled. Almond milk contains vitamin E, which protects your skin from sun damage. 1 cup water or orange juice. Smoothie number 4, banana and almond milk. Bananas are loaded with potassium and silica to boost skin texture. Ingredients: -1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon flaxseed, a pinch of cinnamon. Smoothie number 5, papaya and Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt offers probiotics that aid digestion and overall skin clarity. Papaya is a tropical powerhouse of vitamin C and enzymes that support collagen. Ingredients: Minnesone ½ cup ripe papaya, 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 cup water. Smoothie number 6, kale and pineapple. Kale is rich in vitamin K and iron, while pineapple provides vitamin C and bromelain to reduce inflammation. This combo gives skin a natural glow. Ingredients: -1 cup kale. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 south to lock in moisture. 1/2 cup pineapple, 1/2 banana, 1 cup coconut milk. Smoothie number 7, strawberry and chia seeds. Strawberries offer vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acids that reduce skin spots. Ingredients: Minnesone, ½ cup strawberries. Ginger and turmeric reduce redness and promote a smooth tone. 8. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 banana, 1 cup oat milk. Smoothie number 8, apple, ginger, and turmeric. 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. This powerful trio fights inflammation and flushes toxins that dull your skin. Ingredients: -1 apple. Mint adds freshness and aids digestion, which also affects skin clarity. 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. 1 cup carrot juice or water. Smoothie number 9, watermelon and mint. Watermelon is over 90% water and packed with lycopene for skin protection. Ingredients: -1 cup cubed watermelon, a few mint leaves, 1/2 lime, 1/2 cup cold water. Smoothie number 10, beetroot and orange. 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Beetroot increases blood flow and gives your skin a natural flush, while oranges provide vitamin C to strengthen your skin barrier. Ingredients: Minnesone, ½ small beet, peeled and chopped, 1 orange peeled. By blending these skin-friendly ingredients into easy smoothies, you're giving your body a natural, delicious way to fight aging from the inside out. These smoothie recipes are easy to customize and gentle on digestion. Perfect for seniors. Try one today and watch your skin thank you tomorrow. 1/2 carrot, 1 cup water. Always drink your smoothies fresh to preserve nutrients. Add a tablespoon of collagen powder or flaxseed for an extra skin boost. Use unsweetened plant-based milk to avoid added sugars. Try to drink your smoothie in the morning for maximum absorption. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Smoothies help, but water is still essential. A healthy diet shows on your skin.